Hello and welcome to Pabbly Chatflow. So in this video, we are going to understand how to build a WhatsApp chatbot for an antique store. So as an antique store owner, I receive a lot of inquiries about my items on my WhatsApp number. And now here I wish to instantly reply to all these messages using a WhatsApp chatbot. Yes, you heard it right. I'm going to build a WhatsApp chatbot to reply to these queries instantly using an all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform that is Pabbly Chatflow. So to learn about this chatbot in detail, let me all take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In this video, I'll show you how to automate your WhatsApp replies using a chatbot perfect for handling product inquiries, sharing catalogs and collecting customer info. It's a great way to save time and stay responsive around the clock. Alright, so as you all know that as the owner of an antique store, I get a lot of inquiries on WhatsApp about available products, prices and delivery options. So now instead of replying to each message manually, I created a WhatsApp chatbot that can automatically answer common questions, show product catalogs and even collect customer details. This helps me save time, stay available 24/7 and give my customers quick responses. So with the chatbot handling basic queries, I can focus more on finding and showcasing unique antique items. Alright, so here on the screen you can see the chatbot that I have created for my antique store already using Pabbly Chatflow. And now firstly here in this video, we are going to see the working of this amazing chatbot that I've created over here. Alright, so here to see the working of this chatbot, let me take you to my WhatsApp. Alright, so this is my WhatsApp account and this is the WhatsApp number that I've connected with my Pabbly Chatflow account. Alright, so let's suppose that I am a customer and I want to make a purchase from the antique store. So let's suppose the customer sends a message that says, "Hi, I would like to know about your antique pieces." Alright, so this is the message that I'm going to send. And here you can see we have received an instant reply from the chatbot that says, "Hello and welcome to Timeless Treasures Antique Store. We offer rare, vintage and collectible antiques with rich history and charm. What would you like to explore today?" And here you can see 3 quick replies buttons such as view antiques, place an order and contact us. So let's suppose that we are going to select view antiques. And here you can see it says, here are some of our popular categories: vintage furniture, old coins and currencies and classic decor items. And also we have received 2 quick replies buttons such as place an order or back to menu. So let's select place an order. And here you can see it is asking us to select the category of the item I wish to order. So let's select coins and then it is asking me to share my name. So here I'm going to share my name as demo user and then it is asking me for the delivery city. So let's suppose I'm going to add the city and it says, "Thank you, we have received your order request. Our team will connect with you shortly to confirm the details and the next steps." And then we have received 2 more quick replies buttons such as back to menu and contact us. So let's select contact us this time. And we have received our contact details, that means our store contact detail over here. So let's click on this back to menu. And here we have received the main message again. Alright, so this was all about the working of this amazing automation. And now here in this video, we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this entire chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow for your store as well, so that your business can have this amazing feature of WhatsApp chatbot to interact with your customers flawlessly. Alright, so here we are going to create this amazing chatbot by using an all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform that is Pabbly Chatflow. So here in your Google, you have to search for pabbly.com/chatflow and then you will be directed to the home page of Pabbly Chatflow. Yes, here on the screen you can see Pabbly Chatflow's home page and you can visit it by simply browsing for the URL pabbly.com/chatflow/ina/ in your browsers. And here you can see 2 options that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get 300 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to build my WhatsApp chatbot and access my Chatflow account, I'm going to click on this access now button given over here for Pabbly Chatflow. So now this is the Pabbly Chatflow's dashboard and here you all might be thinking that what is basically Pabbly Chatflow. So let me give a brief about it. So Pabbly Chatflow is a tool that helps businesses create automated chatbots for their website and apps. It's like having a virtual assistant that can chat with visitors, answer questions and guide them to take actions like making a purchase or signing up. People use Pabbly Chatflow to save time, improve customer support, and engage visitors 24/7. It's easy to set up, customizable, and helps businesses provide quick responses, which keeps customers happy and boosts conversions. Alright, so this was all about Pabbly Chatflow, and now here you can see that I've already added my WhatsApp number in my Pabbly Chatflow account. And here, if you wish to learn the step-by-step setup of your Pabbly Chatflow account, then you can check out the video on our YouTube channel for the same. Alright, and also Pabbly Chatflow offers some amazing other features apart from creating the WhatsApp chatbot that you can see in the left side bar given over here. And also, if you want to learn about these amazing features in detail, then you can go and watch the dedicated videos for each of the features available on our YouTube channel and on our landing page as well. Alright, so now let's move forward with building our WhatsApp chatbot. And here, to build our WhatsApp chatbot, I'm going to use a feature by Pabbly Chatflow, that is flows given over here in the left side bar. Alright, so here you can see under flow builder I've created a lot of flows using Pabbly Chatflow till now. So here, to build a new WhatsApp chatbot, we are going to add a new flow by clicking on this add flow button given on the top right corner. And here firstly we are going to give a name to our flow, that is antique store. And here, after giving a name to my flow, it is asking me to set up the flow start. That means to set up a trigger for this WhatsApp chatbot. Alright, so here you can see we have received the option for keywords, regex, and template to set up our trigger for our WhatsApp chatbot. So here we will choose the trigger type as keywords, meaning the chatbot will activate when a user's message contains specific words. So we will add keywords like hey, hello, hi. So these are some basic keywords that a customer may write, and whenever a user sends a message with these words, and here to add the keyword, I'm going to press enter after writing the keywords, and automatically it is going to be converted as a keyword. Alright, so I'm going to add two more keywords that are hi and hello. Alright, so whenever a user sends a message with these words, the chatbot will detect it and trigger a response. But people type messages in different ways. One person might say, tell me about your antique items, and another might write, I am interested in your antique products. So now, instead of listing every possible variation, we can use regex, that are regular expressions, to create a smarter trigger. Yes, for example, if we add a regex pattern like this, then automatically the chatbot will detect common inquiry words regardless of variations or capitalization, and once the chatbot is triggered, it moves to the next step. Alright, so here you can see the regex words that I've added, such as buy, new, antique, and the items. So now whenever my customer's sentence or the text contains any of these words, then automatically this entire chatbot is going to get triggered. Alright, so here we need to enter the regex to match the substring trigger, and here we need to enable this toggle for each sensitive regex. So it is not mandatory to enable the toggle while entering the regex, but you have to enable the toggle for each sensitive regex only. Alright, so here I've selected my trigger type as keywords and the regex, but here if you wish to trigger the WhatsApp chatbot through a template, then you can choose the template by clicking on this button and select the template from your template library. Alright, so this was all about the trigger setup. Now let's move to the another step. So now after setting up the trigger, I want whenever my customer is going to send a message, then automatically they should receive the first message as a welcome message. So here I'm going to add the message as hello and welcome to Timeless Treasures Antique Store. We offer rare vintage antiques with rich history and charm. What would you like to explore today? So this is a basic common welcome message that I want to send to my customers, and with this message box I want to add some quick replies button as well. So for that I'm going to add buttons over here, and I'm going to add the text as first as view antiques, and similarly I'm going to add the text for these buttons as well, such as place an order and contact us. Alright, so here you can see I've added two more buttons such as place an order and contact us. So with this we have successfully completed this message box as well. So now after sending a welcome message, I'm now going to set up this flow for these quick replies buttons as well. So for that I'm going to move forward first with the view antiques button. So whenever my customer is going to select this particular button, then automatically he or she is going to receive a message with the text as here are some of our popular categories such as vintage furniture, old coins and currency, and classic decor items. Alright, so this is the popular categories message, and similarly I'm going to add some buttons over here such as place an order and back to menu. Alright, so here you can see I've completed this message box with two quick replies buttons such as place an order and back to menu. So here you can see this place an order button is similar to the previous message box second quick reply button, that is place an order. So now I'm going to create a message for both of these boxes as a similar message. So now now I'm going to create a single message box for both of these buttons. Alright, so I'm going to create the text box, and here I'm going to add the text as please select the category of which of the item you wish to order. Alright, so I'm going to provide the categories of the item over here in this message box, and here I'm going to add the categories as furniture, coins and decor. Alright, so here I've added the categories, and now I'm going to connect this place an order button as well with this message box. Alright, so I've built a connection over here, and now once my customer is going to select any of these categories, then automatically I want to send a message with her questions. So for that, here I'm going to add a question message box by simply clicking on this actions, and from here I'm going to select this ask a question message box given over here. Alright, so this is the message box, and here I'm going to add the message as please share your name. So here after my customer select a category, I'm going to ask about their name. So here I've added the text as please share your name, and now here to get the value from the customer, that means a response from my customer, I'm going to add the contact custom field over here. So if you want to know about this custom field in detail, then you can check out the video dedicated to this specific feature on our YouTube channel as well. Alright, so I'm going to select my contact custom field as full name over here, and here after selecting the custom field, it is asking me to select the format of the value. So I'm going to select the format as text, and then it is asking me to select the number, that means the number of attempt that I want to give to my customer. So I'm going to give the attempt as 1, and then here it is asking me to enter the validation error message. So here if you wish to add the validation message, then you can enter it as per your need. So here it is not necessary, so here I'm going to leave it blank. Alright, so here I'm going to ask for the full name, and here I'm going to connect all these 3 buttons with this question box as well. Alright, so now moving forward, and similarly after asking for the name, I want to ask about the delivery city as well. So I've added another question box over here, and here I'm going to enter the text as delivery city. That means here I'm going to ask about the delivery city, and I'm going to select my custom field as city over here, and I'm going to select my format as text only. Again, I'm going to give the number of attempt as 1, and also I'm not going to enter any validation message over here. Alright, so now I'm going to connect this question message box to another message box, and here after getting the name and the city from my customer, I'm going to send a thank you message to my customer by adding a message box over here, and here I'm going to add the message as thank you, we have received your order request, our team will connect with you shortly to confirm the details and the next step. Alright, so this is the thank you message, and similarly I'm going to add buttons over here for this message as well, such as back to menu, contact us. Alright, so here I've completed this thank you message box as well, and now here you can see I have added a similar button to this message box, that is of the contact us, and here I've also added the contact us button in the main message. So I'm going to create a message box for this button as well, and here I'm going to add the message as our contact details over here. So it says we are here to help. Here you can see the phone number, email address of our store, and also the location of our store. It says feel free to reach out during business hours 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Monday to Saturday, and we will be happy to assist you. Alright, so here are the contact us details, and similarly I'm going to add a single button over here, back to menu. Alright, so with this we have successfully completed this message box as well. Now what we are going to do is that we are going to connect all the back to menu message boxes with the main message that we created over here. Alright, so I'm going to connect all back to menu buttons over here with this message box, and now lastly I'm going to connect this contact us button to this contact us message box given over here. Alright, so with this we have successfully completed our entire WhatsApp chatbot creation for our antique store using Pabbly Chatflow. Alright, so now here after creating this WhatsApp chatbot, I'm going to save this flow over here. And here you can see it says flow updated successfully. That means we have successfully set up this entire WhatsApp chatbot. Alright, so now let's go and check the working of this amazing chatbot once again. So for that, let me take you back to my WhatsApp. Here I'm going to clear the entire chat so that we can begin from starting. And now here I'm going to add a text such as I am interested in your antique products. Alright, so here I'm going to send this particular message to this WhatsApp chat, and here you can see instantly we have received a message that says hello and welcome to Timeless Treasures Antique Store. We offer rare, vintage and collectible antiques with rich history and charm. What would you like to explore today? And here you can see we have received 3 quick replies buttons such as view antiques, place an order and contact us. So let's select place an order this time. And here we have received the option to select the category of the item I wish to order. So let's select furniture, And here you can see it is asking me to share my name. So I'm going to add my name as dummy user. And then after sharing the name, it is asking me for my delivery city. So here I'm going to share the city as Bhopal. And here you can see it has sent me a thank you message that says, thank you, we have received your order request. Our team will connect with you shortly to confirm the details and the next step. And here you can see two quick replies buttons such as back to menu and contact us. So let's select contact us. And here you can see we have received the contact details of our store, and now I'm going to click on this back to menu, and this time I'm going to select few antiques. And again you can see it has sent us some popular categories, so I'm going to click on this place an order again. And similarly, I have received this message again to select the category of the item I wish to order. Alright, so this was all about the working of this amazing chatbot that we just now created using Pabbly Chatflow. Alright, so this was all about the chatbot. But here let me tell you about one more amazing feature that Pabbly Chatflow offers is of inbox. So we are going to access the inbox from this left sidebar given over here. And here in the inbox, you can see all the existing chats with our WhatsApp number. And here in the inbox, you can see the entire chat between your customer and the WhatsApp chatbot over here. Alright, so here you can see the replies of the customer and the replies of the chatbot as well. And also you can see that the details provided by customer are added over here in the contact custom fields given the left sidebar. That is the full name and the city. Alright, so this was all about the inbox feature of a Pabbly Chatflow. And now here let me take you back to my flow. And with this, we have completely set up our chatbot for our antique store. Alright, so here let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have set up our trigger as keywords and the regex for our WhatsApp chatbot. And here we have triggered this chatbot with hello and welcome message. So here we have added a basic hello and welcome message for our customer, and we have added 3 quick replies buttons such as view antiques, place an order and contact us. And then here we have set up the chatbot for these buttons as well, where we have added the popular categories for view antiques, and here for the place an order, we have added a text box to select the categories that our customer is interested in. Alright, so here after adding the categories, automatically we are asking for the customer's name and the city, and after receiving the details from our customer, we are sending a thank you message to our customer with the quick replies button such as back to menu and contact us. And similarly here for the contact us, we have added our store contact details over here for the customer's reference. Alright, so this was all about the chatbot that we just now created for our antique store. I hope the entire chatbot was clear to you. Now if you want to learn more such amazing chatbots in future, then you can stay tuned on our YouTube channel, and I hope you like this video. Now if you have any doubt related to this chatbot or any other chatbot, then you can drop your doubt in the comment section below. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple chatbots for your different businesses using Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can write it on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the website given over here. Try Pabbly Chatflow for free now.